Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. Today, we're diving into the world of Snapchat Plus, the subscription that unlocks additional features for users. If you've ever wondered how to spot someone with Snapchat Plus, you're in the right place. Let's break it down. One way to know if someone has Snapchat Plus is by looking for a badge next to their name. It's a distinctive black badge with a white star inside. This little icon serves as a telltale sign that the person is a Snapchat Plus subscriber. However, keep in mind that users have the option to disable or hide this badge, adding a layer of mystery to the identification process. If you're feeling bold, you can always just ask someone directly if they have Snapchat Plus. Sometimes a simple inquiry can clear up any doubts. Additionally, pay attention to those around you who seem to have an in-depth understanding of other users. Insights that are exclusive to Snapchat Plus. It's another clue that they might be using the subscription. Now, it's crucial to stay up to date. Make sure your Snapchat app is regularly updated by heading to your App Store. This ensures that you're in the loop with the latest features and any changes related to Snapchat Plus. Being on the cutting edge not only improves your user experience, but also helps you identify potential Plus subscribers more accurately. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you to check out Foxtecc's educational platform. It's a valuable resource that you can access for free. Just click the link in the description below. Stay informed and enhance your tech knowledge with Foxtecc. Thanks for joining us today on Foxtecc. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Your support means the world to us. Peace.